Live and Move is aiming to respond to the needs of Exeter citizens, and especially the needs of inactive Exeter citizens. So those are people that do less than 30 minutes of exercise in a week, and really what we're trying to do is think about new and innovative ways that we can get those people active. What are the barriers that are stopping them getting active, and addressing those. This isn't about getting everyone to be a pro athlete, about going to the Olympics or anything like that. This is about everyday people who are just trying to get them to be more physically active in their day-to-day lives. So that might be cycling or walking more. It might be going to join a group and do some group exercise like Zumba, or gentle exercise like yoga. It could be as little as, just walking up the stairs rather than taking the lift, things like that. It's just, what can people do to make those everyday changes? The Live and Move programme across the city tries to offer opportunities for people to break down those barriers that might be stopping them. So say people don't have anyone to exercise with, we've got community physical activity organisers, 4 of them across the city, and their job is to get those people active, introduce them to other people who want to be active, break down the financial barriers or any barriers that might exist to getting people active. So this isn't about telling people from above, you need to be more active. It's about going to each of those communities and saying, well, what do you want? What do you want us to do? How can we help you be active? So for example, we're partnering with Inclusive Exeter, and through that partnership we're offering people of diverse ethnic backgrounds to come and join in with physical activity, with badminton and yoga and walking. And so we're asking those groups what they want rather than dictating that everyone should be active, because we know there are barriers to that, to people being active. So my advice would be, look, if you're one of those inactive people, then reach out to your community physical activity organiser, see what local groups exist, and try and just, it doesn't, you don't have to start running a marathon or competing in sport. It's about just being a little bit more active every day for our physical and mental health.